Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss remaining question of exercise 6.1. So let's start. Open your NCERT book and read down question number 11. A particle moves along the curve 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Curve is given to you 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Then find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Y coordinate changing 8 times of x. So the question is, a particle move along the curve 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times fast as the coordinate x. That means dy by dt changing of y coordinate is equals to dx by dt. Now we have to find x and y. Firstly we have to differentiate the given curve. X cube plus 2, 6 dy by dt, differentiate both the sides with respect to t, we get 3x square dx by dt plus 0. Now put the value of dy by dt here, we get 8 dx by dt is equals to 3x square dx by dt. So this will be cancelled out. We get only 3 into 8 equals to 3x square. Now subtract 3 in left hand side, we get 8 to the 16 equals to x square. That means the value of x is plus minus 4. Correct? If the value of x is positive 4, then put the value of x in the given curve. We get 66 by 6. That means 11. So the y equals to 11. If the value of x is minus 4, we get 6y equals to minus 4 x cube plus 2, that means minus 64 plus 2, and we get minus 62 over 6. So the y equals to the final answer, as x equals to positive 4, we get y equals to 11. As x equals to minus 4, we get y equals to minus 31 by 3. Correct? Now come to the next question. Next is, the radius of the air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. It's given radius of air bubble. That means dr by dt is given to you. It's half centimeter per second. Then at what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? R is given 1 centimeter. We have to find out rate of change of volume at R equals to 1 centimeter. Correct? So it is an air bubble and bubble in the shape of sphere. So we know that the volume of sphere, that means volume of bubble, equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate this volume with respect to t, we get 4 by 3 and pi are common, just taken it outside, and then find the derivative of r cube with respect to t. we get 3r square dr by dt. Correct? And now the value of r is given 1 centimeter and value of dr by dt is half centimeter. Just put all the values. 3 r square dr by dt. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. 2. We get 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Correct? Now come to the next. Question number 14. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling stands form a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the stand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? So firstly we have to write down the given information. So first information which we have given is the rate of change of volume. Is the rate of change of volume. This is 12 centimeter cube per second. Correct? And the second one, the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Height of the cone is 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand from increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? And it is given the volume of the sand regularly increasing. That means dV by dt is given. And here the volume, we have to put volume of cone. Correct? So firstly, the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to 12. Now just convert the whole part into the 1 ratio, that means in the terms of r or in the terms of h. So here by the second information we get 6h equals to r. So just put in place of r 6h. We get 1 by 3 pi 6h whole square into h equals to 12. So by solving this, we get 36 over 3 into pi into h cube dy by dt equals to 12. Now differentiate it with respect to t. We get 36 over 3 into pi is common. 3h square dh by dt equals to 12. H is given to you 4. Just put the value of h here. We get 4 into 4 into dh by dt equals to 12. Now 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. We have to find out the value of dh by dt. So that means dh by dt is equals to 12 upon 36 into pi into 4 into 4. Correct? 4 3 is a 12 and 3 cancel out. 36 12. So we get dh by dt is equals to 1 over 48 pi and the unit is centimeter per second. Correct? Now come to the next question. Question number 12. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. We have to find out rate of change of volume with respect to x and the diameter is given 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. We know that the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the diameter is given 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. Firstly, we have to find out the radius, and radius is a diameter half. So we get 3 by 4, 2x plus 1. Now put the value of r in the volume of sphere. We get 4 by 3 pi 2x plus 1 whole cube into 3 by 4 whole cube. Correct? Now just solve it. 4 by 3 pi 2x plus 1 whole cube, 27 by 64. Now differentiate it with respect to x. We get 4 by 3 pi and 27 by 64 is a constant. Now differentiate 2x plus 1 whole cube. We get 3 2x plus 1 whole square, and the derivative for 2x is 2. Correct? Now cancel out the term. We get 9 here and we get 16 here, and then 2 is cancelled 16 by 8 times. Now we get dv by dx is equals to 27 pi over 8 2x plus 1 whole square. Correct? Now come to the next. Question number 15. The total cost in rupees associated with the production of X unit of an item is given by, cost is given to you 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. If we differentiate the total cost, we get a marginal cost. So firstly differentiate it. What we get? into 0.007 x square minus 2 into 0.003 into x plus 15, and for constant term 0. Correct? The production unit is given 17. So just put in place of x 17. We get 7 into 17 minus 2 into 0.003 into 17 plus 15. Correct? Now 3 sevens are 21. We get 0, 0, 0, 21 into 17 minus 0.006 into 17 plus 15. Okay. After solving this, we get 20.967 rupees. Correct? Now come to the next. In 16 question as same as the 15. The total revenue in rupees received by the sale of X unit of a product is given by Rx. Find the marginal revenue when X equals to 7. Just differentiate the revenue cost. You get the marginal revenue and then put the value of X is 7. Okay. Okay. Now the revenue is given to you 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Firstly differentiate the revenue. We get the marginal revenue. We get 26x plus 26. Now put x equals to 7. We get 208. Correct? Now come to the next. The rate of change of the area of the circle with respect to its radius at r equals to 6 centimeter is. We have to find out the rate of change of area at r equals to 6 centimeter. So the area of circle is pi r. To find out the rate of change of area, we have to differentiate the area with respect to r. Now we get 2 pi r and put r equals to 6 here. We get 6 to the 12 pi as a answer. Okay, then so the option B is correct. Next, 18. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X unit of a product is given by Rx equals to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. The marginal revenue when x equals to 15. So firstly find out for marginal revenue, differentiate the revenue. We get 3 to the 6x plus 36. Now put value of x is 15 here. 6 into 15 plus 36 plus 36. So we get 126. That means option D is correct.